Welcome back to Serenity. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass Google account on ITEL A14, and for you to bypass this Google account you need two phones, and you can see I have two phones. One of the phones I'll use to call the other phone so that I can be able to penetrate the other side of the phone. And thank you, keep on watching, and please subscribe for my channel for more educative videos like this. And thank you. Let's follow.
Just send to this two people. And the keys to they come in any moment.
So then you just click on the message icon, then you go to write message, this one. Okay, then now just go to
compilation. ITEL report. ITEL report. Environmental impact assessment. Yeah, that's right. Environmental impact assessment report. Attached information.
say download FRP. Yeah, I downloaded one. Number. Then download the Google account manager, Google account manager. Then you go to downloads. So within the download, install the Google account manager.
Nilikuwa nafanya kitu kwa laptop lakini I'm through now.
Then install FRP.
Jana tulikuwa napiga ukarudi ukachukua simu. Yeah, I was using Skype. Sasa tufanyaje? How will you get your phone? gima waloso kata kiny kendo an Kisumu. Yes, kiny an Kisumu. Yeah, koro kiny kapok awuok yo home kone, I'll see what to send you there, sawa? Tutaongea baadaye. Utakuwa naye.
So now after this, just